In this episode of Encap TV, we're going to talk about gas prices, how to relieve the pain at the pump. Stay tuned. Welcome to this episode of Encap TV. Today we're going to talk about gas prices. Certainly not anybody's favorite subject right now. As you've seen around the country, the prices have continued to rise. They have tapered off just a little bit in the last week or so, but the prediction is that we're going to see high gas prices for some time to come. Today's average, this is March 21st, 2022, average gas price around the country right now is $4.25 a gallon. Out in California, out west, it's a bit higher, but the national average today is $4.25 a gallon. That's up from a national average 1 year ago of $2.88 a gallon. Now, what does that break down to? That's a 47% increase in gas prices in a year. So the question I think we're probably all wondering is, how do we factor in that kind of a price spike into our business, especially for the guys that are doing truck mount cleaning? In fact, I've seen on one of the message boards that the discussion was, should I add a surcharge or upcharge for gas prices? And of course, you do have the cost of getting to the job location. But for the truck mount guys, their machine is running and it's burning gas all day long. So we have a solution for you. Instead of looking at that drain of expenditure for gas, what about increasing your low moisture carpet cleaning? Using methods like encapsulation, for example. Great way to save money. You're not going to burn gas, you're going to use electricity instead. Whether you're using a rotary machine, orbital machine, CRB machine, Cymex machine, regardless of what machine you're using, they all plug into the wall. Low moisture cleaning, Encap cleaning is going to enable you to clean without burning gasoline during the cleaning process. Now, when you're working with a product like Encap Clean DS2, I want to talk about some of the numbers here, just to put things in perspective. At 4 ounces per gallon, that's 32 to 1, this gallon of concentrated product will make up 33 gallons of usable cleaning solution. We're going to clean at a rate of about 300 square feet per gallon of RTU, which means this gallon is going to clean about 9,900 square feet of carpet. Let's call it 10,000. 10,000 square feet of carpet with a single gallon of product. Now that's just ridiculously cheap to work with. But it gets better still. When we're using a good Encap system, for example, the Cymex machine cleans at a rate of 2,000 to 3,000 square feet per hour. So we'll cut that down the middle and call it 2,500 square feet per hour. If you're cleaning at 20 cents a square foot, for example, that would be, $500 per hour. Not bad money. And when you're making $500 per hour, if you burned an extra couple of dollars worth of gasoline to get to the job, you probably can absorb that cost. But running that truck mount all day long might be another story. So just as a suggestion, you might consider throwing in more Encap into the cleaning equation. Low moisture is a great option. It provides for your customer clean carpet that's going to stay clean, a consistent looking carpet day in, day out. Thanks again for watching. Just one more way we're here to help you max your Encap at Excellent Supply. Hit the like button below, subscribe, share your comments. We appreciate that when you do that too. Have a great day.